Hi, good morning. Alex here with Autonomous Trading. If you ever wish to learn how to invest in the markets without losing money, well, visit the blog of the company, one of our blogs at Autonomous Trading, and you have here the full documented process investing in cryptocurrencies. And this is very important since it is based on facts. The most wanted criminals in the cryptocurrencies markets. You have here a list of them. The official McPhee, Eddie David Paul, Trin Draper, Tom Lee, Mike Novogratz, Pompliano, Ronnie Moas. These are some of the most wanted criminals in the history of the markets. And you can compare their recommendations, that meanwhile everyone went bankrupt, comparing to our work, which you have. If you click here on this link, you can go through the documentation. You have here examples made available in real time on social media, unlike scammers on the web, ahead of the complete meltdown in cryptocurrencies, informing that cryptocurrencies it is a scam used by Deutsche Bank and other criminals. Precisely, you have here a list of them using cryptocurrencies for money laundering, among other things. You have here other example when I got rid of Bitcoin and later on downgraded to junk since 19,770, which we announced on the blog of the company on different websites. You have here forecast completely for free, long thing, a scam, downgraded to junk. This stock is worth today basically zero. Riot blockchain, other American scam, downgraded to single digits. I'm going to give you an example because if you click here, this is not an article that has been available, as of yesterday, okay? No, we made available this in real time on social media, okay? You have here the date, you have the tweet in real time, and this price corresponds to the very top, and it was downgraded. As of today, this stock is worth $1.60 or so. Okay, this is very important because, as I told you, this corresponds to facts. Facebook Sandberg should be jailed and Zuckerberg to resign. Well, you are already aware of this. There is no value whatsoever in utilizing these social media channels like Facebook. Therefore, you were also warned to sell shares of Facebook here on the blog at $217. And you can compare here, you see articles posted in real time about the investment process in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies, they melted. The case of Ethereum, which I downgraded a video that you have if you click here. You have the video recorded live at 1,405. Today you have Ethereum trading at 106. And obviously the list of scammers, all of them here. These, just to name a few. Bitcoin US dollar downgraded to junk, saying that you are going to see the worst crash ever in the crypto markets, along obviously with all of them, the case of Ripple. This case of Ripple, in fact, Ripple should be shut down. I quite frankly, I don't know what the FBI is waiting to jail all of those guys. They are criminals, scammers with a proven criminal record. Bitcoin 3,800. Okay, so these guys that you have here, they were calling Bitcoin to go to $500,000, $100,000, $50,000, $1 million. No, Bitcoin, it is worth 3,800. Okay, the truth can be seen always live on the tape, and the truth is that this list of scammers, it is a mathematical fact. You have here more of them: Tim Draper, Tom Lee, all of them here. Mike Novogratz, this guy also should be jailed. I don't know what, obviously all Americans. And I strongly recommend that you click here. Again, like I said, this has made available for a long period of time, since the very top, announcing the meltdown in the crypto markets. And every single step very well documented. You see here that I refer the best American scammers of all time at official McPhee. You have his Twitter, you know, $500,000 by the end of 2020. Everyone investing in the cryptocurrencies markets according to the guidance of these scammers. The most, in fact, these are the most wanted criminals, okay? And by the way, you can contact the FBI, okay? And you can compare it here live, selling and downgrading Ethereum to junk at 1,405, okay? So there is a huge difference, and you have obviously the reviews, as well as you have yet more. We have hundreds of reviews, and more I don't have to say, because this has been available for a long period of time, and only a complete idiot loses money in the markets by relying on scammers. Thank you.